In this example, let's look at our switch statement. Let's have an example of grading system and displaying the message for a specific grade. Let's request an user to enter his grade. And we need to store the grade value into a variable. So now we have requested the user to enter a value, and when the user enters a value, we will be storing that value in our grade. Let's implement the switch statement. So in our first case, if our grade is A, then we are going to display excellent message. Similarly, if a grade is B, we are going to display well done. If a case is C, let's print just pass. If a case is D, let's display better try again. And any other cases, let's display a default message saying invalid. Okay, this is our program. So this is our program. We have requested user to enter his grade. So whatever the grade user has entered, we are going to store that into our grade variable. So in the switch case, if entered grade is A, then we'll be displaying a message called excellent. If entered grade is B, then we'll be having our well done message. Else, if entered grade is C, then we will be having your passed. This switch statement is very similar to our if-else-if ladder, where we used to have a condition where grade equals to A, grade equals to B, grade equals to C, if-else condition. So instead of that, we are having a cases where if a specific case has been considered and if it passed, then the conditions inside that particular block will be executed. Let's debug the program. We have entered a main method and we have requested user to enter his grade. So the grade B is in our grade variable. So in the switch statement, what it does is it directly goes to that particular condition which has been satisfied. So when I press F10, it directly entered the case block of B, so that the message inside the particular block will be executed and will be displaying the same. Okay, let's take one more example. Entering some invalid grade value like H. So H is in our variable and we don't have any grade allocated for H. So directly the default block will be executed, which writes a message to the front end for invalid grade. In our next video, let's cover some more interesting topics. Thank you.